If you are looking for the best tefal optigrill Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2023 deals, visit the links in the video description below. Here are the best features of the tefal optigrill. Stainless steel, cast aluminum. Imported. First electric indoor grill that cooks by adapting its grilling cycles to the thickness of the foods. 6 automatic cooking programs for burger, poultry, sandwich, sausage, red meat and fish. Cooking surface, 600 square centimeter. Easy monitoring of the cooking process with its preheating ready indicator lights and audible beeps for rare, medium, and well done. 2 cooking modes, one for frozen food and a manual mode so you can cook anything the way you want. Large juice tray and plates with an angle of 7 degrees to ensure cooking juices run off. Die-cast aluminum and removable non-stick plates for effortless food release and cleaning. Dishwasher safe drip tray and plates.